Hi everyone, welcome back to the Aspen Home Experience, where I show you the best that Aspen has to offer. Winter is upon us, and today we're at the base of Aspen Mountain at one of my favorite ski in and ski out rental homes. Let's go take a look. It's cold out here. Cozy up by one of the many fireplaces in this 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom home. With gorgeous views of the valley, plenty of entertaining space, and a kitchen featuring professional grade appliances. This is one of few homes that can offer you services from the residents at the Little Nell, such as concierge, ski concierge, valet, bellman, and drivers at your service. Thank you for joining me of this episode of the Aspen Home Experience. If you enjoyed this, be sure to like. Feel free to leave me a comment on what you would like to see next. If you missed my episode of the residents at the Little Nell, click here.